Hi Year 5s, this is Mrs O'Reilly and we've got the exciting task of designing our school canteen herb and vegetable garden. The first thing that we're going to do is go outside and I'll show you the plot of land that we've set aside to create the garden. One of the main tasks of this is to fence the area of the garden, which for that you'll need to use your math skills that we've been learning in perimeter. You'll also need to work out how much soil we're going to need for the inside of the garden, which is going to be your area formula. Some of the decisions that you're going to have to make along the way include what type of fence you're going to use, how much soil will you buy, what type of soil will you buy. To find out your information, you can use websites, books, pamphlets, and any other resource that you might find useful. You might even like to take a trip to Bunnings with your parents on a weekend. You need to just keep a record of the references and the types of resources that you use along the way. In your final design, the person who has the best design will actually get to go ahead with this project, and their design will be used for the school canteen herb and vegetable garden. The principal and the canteen staff will be deciding which design they like the best, so you will have to present your presentation at the end to them. Maybe your garden will look like this. You do need to keep in mind that you have a $2,000 budget. And I've just made a list here of some things that you'll need to consider: your fence, soil, plants. And when you're doing your calculations, try and keep your numbers neat so that your figures add up. You're going to be working with a partner throughout this assignment, so you work together, be thoughtful and considerate, check each other's calculations, and talk about before you start what you're going to do if you disagree. If one of you wants a wooden fence and one wants to use a plastic fence, how are you going to resolve your differences when there's only two of you? You might like to write them down, put them in a hat, and whichever one comes out, that's the one you use. But have a chat about this before you start, and that will make your project easier. Our project will run for about 3 weeks, and I'm here to help you along the way. So enjoy, good luck, and most of all, have fun.